Hello and welcome to this week's MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Firman. We're visiting XAMN Pro today, and I'm going to show you a feature that I only just recently learned about, and this was via our amazing support team. We all know in XRY and XAMN, these tools are extremely efficient at recording and logging your chain of custody. We know how secure the XRY file format is, and one of the great features of that is when you want to create subsets. So a subset is if you want to share a section of your extraction. So you may need to hand out a section for legal review, or you may want a reviewing officer just to review the messages, for example. And what we can do in order to do that is to come up to here and go to save a subset. And we've been through that previously on MSAB Mondays. But how do we know more details about the subset if we're given a subset to work with? Well, of course, we can go to data sources and we can take a look at the extraction log that will give us a bit more detail around the extraction that took place. We're going to see certain numbers for what was extracted from the device. And we can soon go to the overview and see that those numbers are different. So it's pretty obvious that we're dealing with a subset here. And of course, the extraction log would have had to have been included when creating a subset, because you can create one without. But another good way of telling if you have a subset is in the data sources tab. And if we scroll down, you can see here it is got an indicator to say a file subset was created. But what you also have here is the source file GUID. This allows you to link it back to the original XRY file, showing you that complete chain of custody. We hope that you've enjoyed this tip and will join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.